Hello everyone. Today we're going to make stir-fried kimchi using sour kimchi. Slice the kimchi into bite-sized pieces, please. If your kimchi is too sour, feel free to add more sugar. If you are using water-preserved tuna, be sure to add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Stir-fry the kimchi for 5 minutes. Once the kimchi is softened, add the mushrooms and onions and saute for another 5 minutes. Finally, add the green onion and green chili pepper and cook for another minute, stirring constantly. Do not close the lid immediately. Place the stir-fried kimchi in an airtight container and leave it slightly ajar to cool. Once the kimchi has cooled, you can refrigerate it. I make stir-fried kimchi and usually enjoy it as a kimchi deobab when it's warm. If you've made some stir-fried kimchi, be sure to give this kimchi deobab recipe a try.